We're back here at the 70s time capsule, and last time we were here, they were doing demo, they were taking out wood, they were changing the ceiling, they were ripping everything out in this home. So I can't wait. Derek and I are gonna go inside, check out the progress. Let's go inside. This is an entertainer's paradise. This is amazing. I mean, they had walls here, there was walls there was walls everywhere.
The whole place was broken up. As you can see, we've done a pretty good job of opening up. This is the grand entertainment space. Place to have a small table over here, obviously a large island, a billiards table over here. And we purposely left this very large opening so that this space would be all of one. You're gonna have a more intimate dining station over here. And obviously over here, you're gonna have the TV and the living room section, but look how big this place looks now.
It's amazing. I mean, last time we were here, I mean, there was like a stage here. Like they were ready to put on a concert. There was a stage, it looked like a ship. And just looking at all the changes, I mean, you guys restained or faux painted the beams, the wood. I mean, this is a huge transition.
I love this house. Honestly, I'd like to move in here myself, but the beam work is beautiful. As you know, we have an artist on staff that does all of our woodworking and our finishes. You know, it took us quite some time to get to this point, but it's actually, you know, sometimes you look at the renderings, you're like, how can we, you know, there's a lot to live up to.
Right.
And then other times you walk in, you say, man, this is even better than we even designed. I love the way the beams look, it's fantastic.
Absolutely, and just thinking back to when we were here, we were standing in this exact same spot on that raised platform. I mean, the walls were dark, there was a lot of woodwork, it was enclosed, you expanded the opening. I mean, this is a place to entertain. Like, this is a place to have fun, it's exciting, it's open.
He's got a boat, he wants to come here, he wants to entertain, he wants to have friends over. So I want to give him what he wanted. At the end of the day, we design into our client's taste, and this particular client wanted an entertainer's paradise, and that's what we've given him.
All right, so I know last time that we were here, you were mentioning that you were gonna actually remove these beams.
Yeah. So what happened was we actually found out they were structural and they couldn't come out.
Okay.
So, and that created a little bit of a problem for us, to be honest with you. So if you look at where the fans are located, they're located right over the beams. And so my concern was that the light would be fragmented as it came through the beam. So we came up with a couple of different new lighting options. Number one, at the edge of every beam, we're gonna be putting a floodlight so that you can light the ceiling, which would be cool. So if you just wanna look at the ceiling at night and flood it, we're gonna be able to light that. And in between each one of these tracks, we're gonna put a track for the LED lighting. So it's gonna have some down lighting. We're gonna create a track in between. It'll be really cool. You won't be able to see it, but there'll be a light sitting halfway in between there. And that will give you some nice down lighting. This way we can light it without having the obstruction that the fans have with the lights, and it'll look a lot nicer at night. And it's nice because most of these older houses are, you know, 8-foot ceilings.
Yeah, exactly.
It's very rare that you have a living room, dining room area where you have a raised ceiling, and also we have it luckily in the master bedroom as well. But it's a beautiful feature and adds so much character to the house.
Wow, I mean, just looking at this, I mean, the island's gonna be massive.
It's gonna be a massive island. It's gonna be a massive wall of cabinetry over there. Beautiful table. Over here will be a billiards table, TV stand. The whole house has been wired for speakers and sound, so that'll be really nice.
Right.
But this is, you know, like we said, entertainer's paradise. When you come here, you feel like you just want to have a good time.
Right.
And so what I wanted to create for the client was for them to really be able to embrace that lifestyle of coming off the boat and coming in here and sitting at the bar and having a beer and maybe playing some cards while they watch the football game. Or if they want to have, like I said before, an intimate setting, they've got all of that and it's together. You can easily entertain 20, 30 people in this grand space right here, no problem, and it would be very comfortable. And you know, I'm hoping to be here for the next Super Bowl.
Right? Wow, I mean, looking at this master, the ceilings again, I mean, that is a consistent element. It's a feature of the home. You guys really embraced it and did an incredible job. Tell us what you have going on. Are you going to have different lighting elements or?
Well, again, we had no ability to light the ceiling because it's a wood ceiling. And you've seen this a lot of times when we have woodworking projects, a lot of custom woodworking, a lot of custom design stuff. This is beautiful. You can't even tell that these end caps that are on here now, you can see we haven't finished it over there closer to where the fireplace is going to be, are not part of the original structure.
No, it's absolutely amazing, and I know you can't miss it. I mean, you guys built out this fireplace wall unit. What do you have that's going to be going on there?
Well, it's going to be beautiful. Up there is going to be a shelf with a light, and you're going to have the TV, then you're going to have a shelf for like a sound bar, and then down here is going to be a fireplace. It's going to be really, really nice.
Amazing, and this is a big space. I mean, what was here before? I mean, they had plants that were hanging down. They had all of these things. You just opened it up. You made it look, I mean, it's clean, it's bright, it's huge.
Well, you remember the bathroom space too. There was a closet here, and then there was a vanity over there, and another vanity over there, and then the shower's back there, and then there was another closet in between. Working in this house and doing the design in this house, it's been a lot of fun. Again, the lofted ceilings in here, to me, are just, they make the job.
And you don't see this that often, but talking about the bathroom, let's go check it out.
Let's check it out. Obviously, we did a couple things that we don't normally do. As you know, we don't normally do a lighting cove in the bathroom, but we did that here. And we did a very classic design. We did a marble type white marble with a travertine look. All of it's porcelain tile, looks like marble. It's a timeless look. It looks really nice.
No, absolutely. So paint the picture.
So there's gonna be glass here and here, and it's gonna be completely open in the middle.
Okay.
You're gonna have your tub over here. You're gonna have your shower over here. Over here, we're gonna have a beautiful double vanity, toilet, and of course the closet will be over there.
Absolutely, and what you did with the closet to utilize the whole space to make it all come together in such an incredible way, I mean, that's a big closet.
It's a decent sized closet, yeah. We had to actually steal some room from the laundry room outside, so now I have to, you have a much smaller laundry entrance, but we needed to make the closet slightly bigger to make it work. And I think, look, this is just a great sized bathroom.
Absolutely.
And that bedroom is a nice size, and all of it just works together. It's really nice.
So Derek, we're here in the powder room, cabana bath. I mean, it's perfect, right off of the pool, right off the entertaining space. But I mean, what you guys did here, I love the elements.
Remember, there used to be an ugly cut corner there. We squared that off. There used to be a wall here. It was bifurcated in two. We opened the entire space up. Beautiful vanity with a one-of-a-kind sink coming here. It's gonna be gorgeous. We use this bamboo style tile, again, because you're coming in from the water, to give it that islandy feel. And this tile we absolutely love. I took a chance on it because the client let me pick all the finishes in the entire house.
That's amazing. Which
was pretty cool, but a little bit stressful. And I said that, we took a chance and said, let's do this tile here in the powder room, the cabana room. And I've got to say, I really love the combination of the two of them, and it really came out nice. And it's unique. Have you ever seen a tile that looks anything like that ever in your life?
It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And I mean, all of the tones come together perfectly. I mean, I love this bamboo look, but this tile as well. The fact that every single tile, it's all different. And it looks like it actually was in panels, but I mean, it is
in the panel actually. It doesn't come in these small pieces. It comes in like 18 by 36.
Right.
But it's beautiful. It's so clean. It's so nice, and it's a small bathroom. So we didn't want to overpower with any dark colors. It's not small, but it's not wide.
Right. Well, the thing is like, sometimes you want something that's white, but you don't want just a white tile.
Yeah.
This adds texture, it adds depth, it's unique, it's different. Like, there's nobody that's gonna walk in here and be like, oh, I've seen that.
Absolutely, that's the goal. So here we are in the kids' room. This is the kids' bathroom. And obviously, you see we picked a really nice neutral tile.
What's nice, it actually makes everything look larger because you're running it right into the shower.
Absolutely. And then we picked a nice different tiles to be an accent wall in here. And obviously, you see the mosaic that we did on the floor, which we've never used before. It's a modern, much more hexagon type shape that hasn't been out in the market. And we just put it in the windows yesterday, as you can see. So yeah, this is really shaping up.
So we're back here in the kitchen. The foundation is here. Cabinetry, finishes, everything is here to come.
Everything is here. Actually, the cabinets were already installed.
Right.
And we uninstalled them when we did the floor because we realized the floor was so uneven. So we did the gyp creek across the entire home. So all the cabinets are sitting in the garage. They're going to be installed today.
Right.
So what we're hoping is we get the cabinets installed today. Then the fabricator will come and take a template for the countertops. Once we get the countertops in, and of course, it's to finish up the plumbing and electrical.
Right.
And you know, basically install the rest of the finishes here. So we're not that far away. This kitchen could be done in, you know, 2-3 weeks.
That's amazing. So I can't thank you enough for having us here again. Always a pleasure.
Thanks, Adam.
Love
Appreciate
seeing
you
the
guys.
work. This transition already is amazing. I can't wait to see the next time that we come back. For all of you, make sure you stay tuned. Comment, let us know what you think, what are your favorite finishes, and until next time, stay tuned.